Thank you to all of you. Good morning, honorable chief guest, respected teachers, and ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. As you know that today is a very special and auspicious day for all of us because today is the last day of this year 2020, and from tomorrow we get a new year, new chance, new life, new motivations, new ideas. So. Without wasting, I wanted to give a special thanks to Ansu ma'am who called me to the podium for such opportunity, and I would like to give a special thanks to the team of SRG Spoken Tutorial by a big round of applause who arranged this such beautiful session. So let's big hand for. Thank you to all of you. So. Without wasting such a single moment, let's come to the topic. And as you know that this is Prabhat Kumar in front of you, present over here to express my views on the topic. Never ever give up. Ladies and gentlemen, if I'm audible to such a huge gathering, then it is due to the power. Ladies and gentlemen, don't just be wrong. I'm not talking about the muscle power. I'm talking about the electricity. Yeah, and I shouldn't talk in it. I shouldn't talk on it. I'm talking about the electricity. I'm talking about the invent of light bulb. As you know that. I think everyone know about Thomas Alva Edison. Yeah, so that's good. And now let me tell you the efforts made by Thomas Alva Edison in his course of mission. Ladies and gentlemen, he failed many times. He failed hundreds of times. He failed thousands of times. But he never get disappointed. He never lose confidence. But he never give up. One of his interview, a man asked to him, "Excuse me, sir, you failed thousands of times, but you why not give up?" Then he said to me, "Excuse me, sir, I'm not failed 10,000 times. I am just discovered 10,000 ways which want to work." Ladies and gentlemen, life is all about the joys and sorrows, ups and downs, and failures and success. Ladies and gentlemen, remember one thing: nothing stays permanently in the world. If in the process of achieving big goals, there are big hurdles, big problems, big difficulties, many challenges. We feel get disappointed, but we never lose that. Eventually, lots of people give up. Ladies and gentlemen, remember if you want to really succeed in life, then you have to keep an attitude of never ever give up. Ladies and gentlemen, winners never quit, quitters never win. Winners never quit, quitters never win. Ladies and gentlemen, Muhammad Ali. How many of you know Muhammad Ali?
I know.
Yeah, so that's very good. Muhammad Ali is one of the greatest heavy boxers in the record of boxers. One in an interview, a man asked to him, "Excuse me, sir, how many sit-ups do you make?" He said to man, "Hey man, I don't count my sit-ups." Elaborating and the man is shocked. "Why sir you count your sit-ups?" Then elaborating his answer, he said that, "I count my sit-ups only when it starts paining me. I count my sit-ups when it starts hurting me. When I feel the pain, then I count my sit-ups. The work, the extra mile, the miles you run is not the miles. The work you done is not the work. The actual work is the miles you run. The extra miles you run. The extra work is you done is the work." Ladies and gentlemen, if we never get success at our first attempt. If we fail at our first attempt, then never lose your head, never lose your confidence. You have to change your brain, not your destination. You have to change your mindset, not your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell a story. Are you ready to listen my story?
Yes.
That's very great. And the story about a boy who failed in his primary school twice times. And when he was in a middle school, then he failed thrice times. And when he was in a higher education, he also failed a lot of times. And when he put a form in Harvard University for entrance exam, he also get rejected. And when he is from China, when the KFC went for China for a job, 24 people went for the job. But 23 people selected, and one time this man got rejected. And now he is the co-founder, chief executive officer of Alibaba Group. You know who is that?
Jack Ma.
Yeah, right boy. He is the Jack Ma, and right now he is a $37.6 billion worth of, according to Forbes magazine. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to do a special thing for all of us that failure is not a destination of your career. Failure is a starting of your success that you can make it success. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people are trying to reach their goal, but when they fail, they are give up. That it is not me. It is not in power of me. I can't make it. Ladies and gentlemen, lots of people are give up at this stage without knowing that they are just a step away from the try to reach their goal. They give up at this stage without knowing that almost I made it. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to say a very inspirational and very inspirational message that said by former president of India is that difficulties in your life don't come to destroy you, but they come to realize your hidden potential or hidden power. So you have to prove yourself. And at last, I would like to give a special thanks for all of you, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges and teachers, for listening me such carefully with a great patience. Thank you to all of you, and have a wonderful day. That's all.